Hey guys, today we're going to do a 4K video recording test on the Sony Xperia Z3 and the smaller Z3 Compact. So both of these phones are running Android 6 Marshmallow, the latest builds. So let me show you the build number over here on the regular size Z3. So the build number is 25.5.A.0.575. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we're gonna see the exact same thing on the Z3 Compact. About phone, and here is the build number 23.5.A.0.575, and yeah, Android 6.0.1. Like I said, both of these phones are running the latest Android versions. So let's begin. And by the way, it's around 25 degrees in my room. 24 actually. The air conditioning is set to 25, so the temperature goes down to 24 when it's set to 25. So yeah, and we're gonna time it on the stopwatch and see which one gives up first. And usually it's the bigger Z3 which stops the video recording first, and this one keeps on going. So let's see how that performs on the Android Marshmallow build. Now please excuse the crudity of this model. This is the only way I can get these phones to not lie on their backs, because when you're recording a video you'll be holding the phone like this rather than keeping it on its surface, because yeah, I don't want to insulate this part, because insulating this part means keeping the heat inside, and this is exactly where the phone starts heating up once you start a 4K video recording. So yeah, I want the backs of the phones to be exposed so that the phone can get a little bit of cooling. And the temperature in my room is set to 25 degrees. It's currently, if I press the room temperature button, it shows that the temperature is 24. Yeah, but I've set the air conditioning to 25 degrees, and yeah, away we go. So let me just launch the 4K video recording camera. Let's go to the camera app, select 4K video. There we go. And let's do the same on the compact. So there we go, both of these phones are on 4K video, and I'm gonna start the recording. And let's start the stopwatch too. So yeah, both of these phones are recording. The brightness is set to medium on both of these phones. So let's see which one stops the recording first. Here's the recording counter. Alright guys, so you guys can see the camera on the Z3 has turned off. I can see, so it's been about 15 minutes 30 seconds since it turned off, and you guys can see it has turned off so that the phone can cool down. So I'm gonna let it be like that, and we're gonna wait for the compact to throw up a temperature warning like this. So it's been about 40 minutes, and finally we've got a temperature warning on the Z3 Compact. And by the way, this phone is really hot to touch, especially this, all of this back is really hot. I figure it's not gonna last much long, and anyway, you can see the timer over here, 39 minutes, 39 minutes, 31 seconds, still going. Gonna let this run, but wow, this thing is really hot. So let's continue. So guys, this thing has stopped around 44 minutes, and you can see we're getting a temperature warning now that the camera needs to cool down. So yeah, the compact does indeed last a great deal more than the regular size Z3. Not sure what Sony has done in this phone, but yeah, this one seems to perform better. Even in general day tasks, this phone performs a lot better than this one. Maybe it's because the LCD on this phone is 720p, and that's a 1080p LCD. Because of the 1080p LCD, the graphics processor has to work a lot more harder to pump out the images on this phone rather than this one. Maybe that's the reason. Wow, that's hot. That's really hot to touch. Anyway, should give you an idea on how it's like. Uh, Indeed, these phones are, both of these are running Marshmallows, and this one gave up a lot quicker than this one. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you have a Z3 Compact, you can expect it to last for 44 minutes under 25 degrees of ambient temperature. So thank you guys for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos like these. See you all later.